Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to unbox our paper pumpkin. It is the best there is from May 2024. So let's go ahead and see what's inside here. Of course, we have our stamp sets, and then let's see what we've got here. Our color that we have is Misty Moonlight. So we've got Misty Moonlight, and then let's open this up. I have to admit, I have seen some of these cards already, so I am already excited. So if you're not aware, I do put these together online via Zoom. We all just get together and put our paper pumpkins together and make alternatives, and it's just so much fun, and it's the first Wednesday of each month. So these are your cards. You're going to get your instructions, and then what they've started doing is putting in these little sheets so that you can keep your sheets with your stamps. And they come with the photopolymer stamps, and this is what it says. We've got Happy Father's Day to you. We've got some beautiful trees, a little bit of markings there. It says you're the best there is, and then this one says with love and admiration to the most amazing person. So I just think this is beautiful, and I love that this doesn't say the most amazing father or anything like that. So you can use that for anyone, and especially anyone in your family. So we'll put that aside. Now I'm going to keep all of this because, like I said, we're going to put these together on Wednesday, the first Wednesday of the month. So let's look at what else we have. We have some cutouts. It looks like we have 3 pages of cutouts, and I don't know if you can see them or not. This one is like a blue tag. These are little circles with some blue leaves, little circles with some golden wheat leaves, and some little circles with some lost lagoon leaves. And they are different. These two are different types of leaves. So this and this are different, this and this are different, and these are kind of the same, just different sizes. So loving that. And these are the bases. You guys, I can tell you right now, we are going to be making some alternative cards, because look at the colors of these bases. This is a nice craft color. And then here, I'm going to move this out of the way for right now. Look at that. I love this wood. And then here again we go. We've got a couple more bases. But again, these bases will be made into 2 different cards. I can already tell you that. So we'll use our own paper for the bases, and then we'll make these into some cards. Of course, I always make one as is, so we'll do that. And then these little circles here, beautiful. They've got that wood grain and then those trees already stamped here. And then here's some more, look at that. These are card bases, but again, I'm gonna tell you, probably only one of these will be made the way it's supposed to be made, and the rest will turn into alternative cards. So I've got that, and then this is, look at that. Look at, it's like a faux wood grain mountainside view. Super pretty. And then these are labels, so we'll be able to stamp those, and they've got 3 sheets of the exact same labels. And then of course we have these envelopes as well. And let me know if you have never received a wood grain looking envelope. Leave a comment, let me know that you never have, because I have some that need to go out. And then of course it comes with your glue or your adhesive and your glue dots there. So you get everything you need to make these cards. I'll tell you what, it's going to be really hard to wait until Wednesday, the first Wednesday of June. So that's next week. I guess it won't be that hard, but it sure will feel hard. So you guys, I would love to have you put these together with me. All you have to do is be a part of my team or purchase your paper pumpkin from me to get the invite. So I hope you'll do one of those, and I will put in the description how you can get your own paper pumpkin subscription, and they do come monthly and they are so fun. But you can also go to beautyandthestamper.com if you are interested. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.